Welcome back to another DEADFACE CTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the reverse engineering challenge Serial Killer 2. Let's get into it. How well do you know the Zealot? See if you can answer this trivia question. Enter the answer as flag. Here's the answer. Okay, so they give you this df.ra2.exe file. Since it's an exe file, let's see if we can decompile it in .peek, which is just a .NET decompiler. And let's take a look and see what we got here. We have some metadata. Let's look at these strings here. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. Let's look at US. Okay, there's some hashes. Okay, cool. Now let's go down to the actual binary itself, which is called easy. We have a buffer here. What is the Zealot's favorite breakfast cereal? Answer, and then we're supposed to provide an answer. There's this string S here, which is our user input for this answer, and then second, 16 bytes, second variable. Then it creates an MD5 hash using the bytes, our user input, and it computes our hash from our user input. And then it compares our hash to the second, which is here. And it says AES create, and then it has our hash as the key in the IV. And then I guess it decodes it. That's correct. And of course, if these two don't compare to each other, then it's going to print out this error message. So basically, we need to figure out what second is. And second should be a hash, right? So this should be, if we convert this byte array to like a hash value, it should be a hash that is the same as the hash that we get when we put our input in, and it's calculated down here. So all we need to do is convert these bytes to a hex and then concatenate them all together and then decode that hash, and hopefully we'll get our answer. So that being said, let's pull this over here and let's go to Google, and let's just do let's do decimal to ASCII, hex converter. And the one I like using is rapid tables, but I like using this one because it does it as you go along. So let's go ahead and start typing in those bytes into the decimal section here. 174, 225, 238, 82, 98, 117, 124, 246, 123, 97, 159, 246, 62, 150, 114, 182. And then we have our hex right here. So we can copy that. Let's go ahead and just open up CyberChef. And then we're just going to paste that in, and we're going to do a replace, because we're going to replace the space with nothing. All right, so this should be the hash that we want to get depending on whatever our input is. So now we can just go to hashes.com, my new favorite hash cracking site other than CrackStation. It seems to be more reliable. We need to put in the CAPTCHA, QCRXVA9, submit and search, and it couldn't identify it. Let's try doing, let's go to, I guess, am I missing something? No, that's right, link to 32. Let's go to CrackStation instead then. There we go. So I'm not sure why hashes didn't work there. It did work for me the first time, but it doesn't matter because CrackStation picked it up anyways. So their favorite cereal should be peanut butter crunch. Now, one thing I just want to note is this hash up here decodes to, I think, Chocula, or Count Chocula, and that's just a red herring. So now we just need to actually go to our file and run it with our discovered favorite cereal that we were looking for. And let's see. CD there, /. Okay, and then we want peanut butter crunch, and I didn't paste it in because I copied something else. So there we go. And there's our flag, peanut butter crunch for the win for the Zealot. We'll copy that, paste it in, and submit. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comment section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.